Earning your turns, a deep dive into the phrase. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, earning your turns. This expression holds a special place in the hearts of outdoor sports enthusiasts, especially in skiing and snowboarding. But what does it really mean? And how can learning about it help improve your English? Let's find out together. The phrase, earning your turns, refers to the act of climbing up a mountain, hill, or slope on foot or with the aid of skins, for skis, rather than using a ski lift. The turns part of the phrase refers to the downhill runs or turns made after reaching the top. Essentially, it's about putting in the effort to climb up before enjoying the reward of skiing or snowboarding down. This concept is deeply rooted in backcountry skiing and snowboarding, where lifts are not available, and one must hike up to ski down. Understanding this phrase gives insight into the culture of skiing and snowboarding, highlighting the values of hard work, self-reliance, and the appreciation of nature. It's a great example of how English phrases can capture specific cultural practices and values. For learners of English, it demonstrates the richness of the language and how it can convey complex ideas succinctly. Plus, learning such phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent, especially when talking about related topics. Let's put our learning into practice. Here are a few examples of how to use earning your turns in a sentence. After a long hike up the mountain, we finally earned our turns with a thrilling ride down. There's something incredibly rewarding about earning your turns, feeling the snow under your skis after a challenging climb. The group believes in earning their turns, choosing routes without lift access for a more authentic experience. Interestingly, earning your turns can also be used metaphorically to describe any situation where hard work is put in up front to enjoy the benefits later. It's about the journey and effort leading to a rewarding outcome, whether in personal achievements, career goals, or learning a new skill, like English. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, earning your turns, and enriched your understanding of English. Remember, learning a language is a lot like climbing a mountain. It requires effort, persistence, and sometimes a bit of a climb. But the view from the top, the ability to communicate, understand, and connect with others, is well worth it. Thanks for joining us, and keep practicing your English.